Hey everyone, BlueWillow AI just announced that they will no longer be offering unlimited free AI art. In this video, we're going to go over the latest updates as well as a new pricing structure. Let's get started. BlueWillow has been one of my favorite tools to use, and one of the best aspects of it was that it was 100% free, unlimited generations. That means I had no tokens to worry about. I can just do as many as I want in a given day. It really allowed me to learn from it. It really allowed me to grow and sort of play with different prompt styles, play with different alternatives, especially when Midjourney has not really been one of the free alternatives, and they were one of the best. So having a direct comparator like Blue Willow, who also used Discord, who also used the same style, it was really a good way for us to learn. And I quite like that it was free to use, free to explore, and you can see like they have improved over time. Now, unfortunately, due to the rising costs and everything, they have changed their model. It will no longer be 100% free starting July 17th. So that's July 17th, 2023. You're going to have to start paying to use it. If you are a new user, you do get 25 free generations. But if you are existing, you have to subscribe to continue using. So a very similar model to Midjourney back in the day when they did offer a sort of sneak peek or an intro to their AI platform. So we're going to go ahead and go over the three subscription tiers that they do have. And so first things first, we're going to see that they do have three different tiers here, starting with the Willower, which is $5 a month, Blue Angel, $10 a month, and then Sapphire, $20 a month. So starting with the $5 a month Willower, you can see that it's 40 by 96, 40 by 96 upscale. So you can upscale your images. You can use the version 4, which is what you saw in the gallery. You can get 50 prompts per day, 5 concurrent images, and then private image generation in your own server, and then VIP image generation channel. So that is not bad. So 50 prompts for $5 a month, and then you can also pay the annual price, which is $49 a year, and you can save $11. So it's really not too bad. I do want to share that they do have a 20% coupon for those of you who signed up before the 17th. So 20% off of the price that you get there is actually pretty low and cost effective compared to some other programs out there that are much more, especially if they're running tokens, especially if they're like Midjourney where it's like quite high. But it does come with the automatic upscale, so that it is pretty cool. Then you get your $10 a month Blue Angel. This one mostly it jumps from 50 to 100, and then 5 images to 10 images, so that's pretty good. You can run 10 images at a time. That's pretty fast there, which is the most popular, and it's quite understandable too, because that's just a third of the cost of what Midjourney really is. And then their highest tier is 200 prompts a day. So for those of you who are utilizing this tool to make different things like coloring books, print-on-demand stickers, and all that stuff, and you're constantly generating pictures to make unique art, making things that you can use for different situations to help your business, I do think $20 a month is quite worth it, especially 200 prompts is not bad at all. I've never actually used that many prompts in a single day, but I think between 50 and 100 and 200, there are quite a few options and they're actually not bad at all. So I think that is really good. And then as you can see, there are annual savings as well if you want to do the $10, and then the annual saving for the $41. As for the limited time discount, again, you can use the code July20 to save 20% discount on our subscriptions. So that is a really good feature there. And then they also mentioned that they are working on different payment options, so like PayPal, if that's what you like, or cryptocurrencies, if that's what you like. But I do believe that Blue Willow is also a great tool, and I've been having lots of fun exploring in the past, and I do believe that it is a good place to invest and sort of improve your images, improve your prompting. I know we are limited and there's many different free options out there, but If you have used this tool, you know that it's for what it's worth. It's actually pretty neat. And if you don't, there's always Midjourney and there's always other tools that you can hop into. But yeah, if you have any questions or any concerns, feel free to leave me a comment down below. The community on Blue Willow has always been quite inspiring, so I highly recommend for you to check it out. Thanks for watching.